4, 3, 2. Okay. It's about that time. I think I'm hungry. I haven't eaten and I'm starting to act myself. Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I am doing another low carb recipe. If you are trying to shed a couple of pounds, but you still want to have a treat every now and again, which you definitely should, because if you don't, you will just mess it up, you know, and just see that first slice of cake and just indulge. Today we're gonna make some fudgy chocolate brownies, and I'm going to use almond flour, but this is for the chocolate lover, okay? And I mean that when I say it, because I took a bite and I said, whoa, Nelly! This is for the dark chocolate lover. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and then let's get started. Okay, Cakenistas, here are all of my ingredients. I have some eggs, of course, my cocoa powder, some instant coffee, some monk fruit sweetener, what else I got over here? My almond flour, my melted butter. So I have in this large bowl my melted butter, and I'm going to add to that instant coffee powder. I literally bought coffee powder just for chocolate cake. The combination of chocolate and coffee, I mean, it's better than peanut butter and jelly.
That's a little bit of a reach because I can't deny peanut butter and jelly is amazing. So
I'm gonna add in my monk fruit sweetener, and you can use erithrytol, you can use xylitol. There's so many tols that you could use. I have my cocoa powder that I'm gonna add also, and if you're really on a health kick, you can use cacao because that has like 1,000,000 minerals in it. It's very healthy. It's actually so healthy. I put it in the microwave one time and I promise you it sparked. Like, there's minerals. It's straight from the ground, like it's of the earth. So it's really good for you. I think that you guys would enjoy that. It does taste slightly different though. I'm gonna add in my eggs, 1 egg at a time, and mix after each one. At this point you could really tell how fudgy it is. I would have loved to add some cream cheese and make a little cream cheese situation cheesecake at this point, but I'm going to add in my almond flour and mix all of that up. I really want to make blondies. I love blondies because I was never a huge dark chocolate fan, even though I am more now than ever. I used to really not get down with the chocolate town, but now I kind of dig it, you know? A lot of people in different countries say that they can't find almond flour and they use ground almonds instead, but it really makes the recipe heavy. So make sure that you find almond flour, and I'll leave some in the description. So I have a parchment lined pan here. That was the easiest batter cleanup in the world. It just wanted to fall out. I'm going to top my brownie mix with some sea salt and some chopped walnuts and brownies. Yes, okay. So I baked this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and when it comes out, it's super soft. It smells so decadent, and I just cut off a little square for myself. I wanted to do a little piece of fruit to cut out some of that fudginess, give it a little bit of acid with it. And I like these because they're not overly sweet. I definitely don't like desserts that are too sweet. And it's just enough. It's nice and thin. It doesn't puff up as much as I like, but it'll do, you know, it'll do. So this is my little baby brownie. That's it feels like a little baby brownie. I think I'm gonna use this as a crust for some cheesecake, some keto low carb cheesecake. That'll be good. I found some Choc Zero. This is a low carb chocolate syrup, as if I needed more chocolate on top of this chocolate, but I definitely went for it anyway, and I added a little bit of peanut butter. That was good. This was definitely one of those struggle moments, just trying to put that on the fork, but when I got it on there, I got it on there good. Couture in a low carb chocolatey chocolate brownie. Bye guys. I love a little crunch in my brownie. I just love a little crunch. And I do like a cakier brownie. So if you like a cakier brownie also, then just mix it up a little bit more, okay? And you can even add in a little bit more almond flour to that. That's what kind of girl I am. I'm a cakey girl. In a cakey world. I'm glad that I can be myself here with you guys and that you won't judge me. They do get harder as they sit out, but popping it in the microwave or the oven for 30 seconds, they get nice and soft again. I actually put a little dollop of peanut butter on top of mine, and that made it so much. Oh man, that was good. I might have that right now. I have a little bit left. So let me know if you have any chocolatey ideas down below. This is also great for Valentine's Day, which is coming up, and Mother's Day and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye, Cake Nieces.